Today I had to get down and dirty. I had to suit up and boot up because another tech team is all the way in Isla Morada. So we service all South Florida. We've actually even done projects out of state. So if you're interested in knowing how we can service you out of state, you have to meet our minimum requirement for our team to travel all the way to you and get this new window treatment, this new iTints technology installed for yourself. Once you order your demo kit, you're gonna see inside, you're gonna see 3 of the samples. You can put them up to the glass. You'll have the instructions guide on how to peel it, squeegee it, stick it on, connect it with our battery operated clicker so you can actually see all 3 in action, see which you like best, see how it looks in the day, see how it looks at nighttime, see how it looks from the outside. Stay tuned, this is gonna be an awesome project. Look at these views. Look at these views of Miami, guys. We are doing what we do best, showcasing the new technology for window treatment. So if you already have blinds, shades, curtains, it's still not too late to step into the future and upgrade to this new technology that's gonna give you that dynamic privacy and sun control.